Hi, please join me. Hello, sa'yo. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you understand it's not a rule I use while you play. Don't speak too much what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Don't give me trouble, mine. No, it's true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time has set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrew. So each and every part of me has tried. Only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Kind of love, I'm not sure I'm worthy of. Losing you is painful to me. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lead you on, I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would Thanks for joining me.
You're welcome.